Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about matrix multiplication. In the beginning I wanted to use equation editor to show you how first of all to write the matrices. So in the beginning I'm going to go to insert, yes here, and I go to equation. Now in the equation I'd first add the bracket of the matrix, this one here. I select this value and I go back and I change it to a matrix. Let's say it's 3 multiplied by 2, and I'm gonna put some values later. Let me just write times. Now if I press space, it will become an x, a multiplication. And now let's add another bracket for some other matrix. Okay, we select this value here, and then we add another matrix. So this is 3 by 2, so I'm gonna multiply it 2 by 3, so this one here. Okay, because in matrix multiplication, as you may know, we should have the inner product, the inner value is the same. So this is 3 by 2 and this is 2 by 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, so now let's add some values and then we're going to use Excel to find how to do this. So let me put just some values: 2, 1, 4, 0 and 0, 3. So this is the first matrix. Second matrix, 1, 0, 3 and minus 2, 4, 1. Okay, so to do it in Excel, first of all we need to put the first matrix, 2, 1. Okay, so it's working on something else, that's why we have. Okay, so this is 2 and 1, and let's do this. So we have 2, 1, 4, 0, 0, 3. And we have the other matrix, which is 1, 0, 3, minus 2, 4, 1. So these are the matrices. We cannot put these brackets here. We can add a shape if you want, but this is not very important. So now in Excel, you need to think about the answer. Let me just delete some space here. Okay, so in Excel, we need to think about the answer. So the answer is gonna be, so again, this is a 3 by 2 matrix, and this is 2 by 3 matrix. And if you cancel the twos together, so the answer would be a 3 by 3 matrix. So you highlight 3 by 3, and this is now very important. Press F2. Now you write equals matrix multiplication, mult, and then you highlight the first matrix in order, highlight the second matrix. Now you need to press Ctrl, then Shift, keep your hands on Ctrl and Shift, and then press Enter. And you would get a matrix. And you can see in Excel, they have this matrix brackets, curly brackets in Excel. So this is a matrix multiplication. Of course, you can change some values and it would change automatically. So this is very useful if you're a student of engineering or math. So you have a lot of applications for matrices, especially if you have long ones. Hopefully it's useful. This is a very long video. Have a nice day.